I'm down at Monsal Trail in the Peak District. I'm going to show you a short walk that's got an amazing waterfall on it, viaduct to tunnel, and it will finish off at a pub. So let's start with the parking. So parking, there's loads of free parking along this lay-by, which is just in front of the Monsal Head Hotel. There is a couple of car parks you can pay for, but I managed to get a space here, so that's a good start. And then the route, we're just going to head up past the hotel. I'll show you what it looks like from Monsal Head. You can also get the bus here from Bakewell. So if you can get to Bakewell, you can get the bus over to here, Monsal Head. You've got a little ice cream van, cafe, pub, and there's a short stay car park. And this is the view straight away. Signpost to the Monsal Trail. So we're going to go left, follow it down towards the viaduct. It's a little bit overgrown at the moment, so it might be worth wearing long trousers for these nettles. You get great views down the valley and down to the viaduct. So with this route, we're going to head all the way down to the waterfall and the weir, and then back along the bottom to the viaduct, and then we're going to come underneath the ground, through a tunnel, and then up to Little Longstone, and then back round to the car. So it's only a short walk, but on a day like this it's perfect. Take my time, enjoy it. I'll show you all the best bits along the way. By the time you get to this gate, you'll be able to hear it and see it. We're going to try and get down to the front of it. We'll have to walk past it, cross over anyway, so that looks amazing. The river is the River Wye, so you might have seen that in other parts of the Peak District, but this is a part of it, and this is a beautiful area. Have a look at that. Wow. There's a really nice big area, flat area alongside the river, so this would be perfect for a little picnic. I mean, only about 10 minutes into the walk, so, but for a day out, if you just wanted a little bimble down to a nice waterfall, bit of a picnic, this is so nice. So heading up towards the viaduct, you see right on the top of the hill, that's where we started. We've come along and made our way down all the way through here, and then back round. Then we're going to go across there. Just before we get to it, we're going to take this path off to the left. I'm hoping that's going to take us up there. We'll find out in a minute. Fairly steep this little bit, but it's only short, so not too bad. There we go, you can see the wall. The route so far, we started up there, we've come gradually down through this woodland all the way to the weir, which is at the back of there, back along here, up onto here, now through the tunnel. On here you've got options. If you're here, or we're here, you can go that way and you can see all of this stuff, and you could come back, or you could walk all the way to Bakewell, but our walk is literally just this little area here. I always get confused about the difference between a viaduct and an aqueduct, and then it stuck with me when I realised that aqua is water. So if there's water running across it, it's an aqueduct, like a canal bridge. And then via, don't know what that bit means, I'm sure you can tell me, but that was, so this was an old train track. So the Monsal Trail was part of a train track. So here we go, through the tunnel. The lights go off at dusk. You can instantly feel a change of temperature coming through here. It's quite eerie. So that is the Headstone tunnel. That must have been about 400 or 500 metres, so pretty cool. It'll be quite dark in there with the lights off, but there's plenty of people around, so it's quite nice. It's amazing that these things were built so many years ago and how back then, how did they dig tunnels like that and build massive viaducts and aqueducts, and I think they'll stand for forever really. They were built so well back then. It's impressive. Right, we're carrying on towards this bridge. So keep an eye on the left till you see this little post here. That's our route going that way. There we go, little Longstone. Through this gate, some nice wildflowers, and then we're going to head across the field down that way. So far there haven't been any cows on the trail or sheep. There's only gates and not stiles, so pretty dog and family friendly, but these fields could be used for cows, so at the time I'm doing it there aren't any, but there could be. There is other routes around if you wanted to avoid cows, but at the moment it's lovely. So just across the field and we're coming into little Longstone here. Absolutely love to live somewhere like that. You've got the garden, the views are just across all of this. One day, keep watching these YouTube videos and I'll be able to maybe buy the door handle or something like that. Oh, by the way, if you are still watching, if you find these videos helpful, it would help me if you give it a like, maybe subscribe to my channel, and any comments or anything like that are really appreciated. And let me know where you want to see next. I'm going to be doing quite a lot of them in the Peak District because that's where I'm from, but I want to go all over and make these sorts of videos, so let me know. Once you come through onto the road, see the sign to Monsal Head, and the car is parked just down that road. This is a lovely little village. An old phone box there. I wonder if it's got a defib. They've all been swapped over to defibs. Knew it. Little village notice board. Oh, there's a pub. The Pack Horse Inn. Here we go. Yeah. No worries. It is a Monday, maybe that's why. What time is it open? Opening hours 5 till 11 on a Monday. Weekends from 12 onwards, so if you're doing it on a weekend, 12 o'clock, you can get yourself a nice pint or a Coke or a glass of water, a sherry. Look at these houses, lovely. So I'm just going to follow this all the way back to the car. Here we are, back at the car. I've hopefully put as much information in there as you'll need, but if there is anything going forward you would like me to add in, then just let me know. I'm going to nip to the pub here for a drink because this one, well, the cafe was definitely open. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.